Ever have one of those days where everything just feels like a little too much? The house is loud, the to-do list won't stop growing, and finding your calm feels impossible? Yeah, I've been there too. Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth, and I am excited to share with you a new blend. Meet Blessed Essential Oil Blend. This warm, grounding scent is here to give you a moment of peace when the world feels too loud. Blessed is a thoughtful blend of Cypress, Frankincense, Cedarwood, Himalayan, and cinnamon. Together, they create a cozy, balanced aroma with just a hint of spice. Think of it as your grounding, deep breath in a bottle. Here's what makes this blend so special. Frankincense grounds and steadies the aroma. Cypress gives it that clean, refreshing lift. Cedarwood adds that soft, earthy calm. Hyssop and cinnamon bring gentle spice and warmth. The result is a peaceful scent that helps you reset. Grounding blends like this one help calm the body's stress response. That's why they're perfect for moments when you feel like you need a reset. Here are some simple ways to enjoy Blessed Blend. Add a few drops to your diffuser for a cozy, calm atmosphere. Mix it with a carrier oil to apply to your skin for a grounding self-care moment. Or make an aromatherapy inhaler and breathe in gently. Here are some quick safety reminders when using Blessed Essential Oil Blend. It's safe for kids aged 10 and up. It's generally considered safe to use around cats and dogs, but always, whenever you're using essential oils, leave the door open so your pet can leave the space if the scent bothers them. We don't recommend using Blessed Essential Oil Blend while you're breastfeeding or pregnant. Keep your dilution rate at 5% or below for topical use. And if you're prone to seizures or epilepsy, it's best to skip this blend. We're so thrilled to finally share Blessed Essential Oil Blend with you. It's a beautiful way to bring warmth and calm into your home, your routine, and your everyday. To learn more about Blessed and some cozy DIY recipes to make with this blend, check out the blog post I have linked below. Grab your bottle of Blessed Essential Oil from Simply Earth today.